Yeah, well, in this kind of system here, really what's happening is you have the shank tool remains in the platen, and all you're doing is turning a screw to release the cassette.
Well, that was a slower commute than I'm used to, but here at LogLogic, we're going to find out how DMG Mori have helped them with their manufacturing processes.
And now, high-speed 5-axis simultaneous finishing with outstanding accuracy in surface finishing due to the dynamics with the linear drive and all axes on the machine.
Now, I look at a lot of twin turret turning centres. A lot of them are far smaller than what we have here. I wanted to bring this machine to your attention. If you're interested in one-hit machining, then this technology from Leadwell and Lead Precision Machine Tools in the UK could be on your shopping list.
One of the discussions today was how do we protect the engineering title? Should we go more like Germany and make it that it is seen as a doctor level, not just a title that's given to everybody? I think that's a great idea.
Okay, so you can now do bigger workpieces, you've got the multitasking element, you've got more clamping force as well. So whether you're now looking to do more challenging parts, it's even more possible now on this machine.
So it's much more rigid, so it will cope with those exotic materials. This machine we have behind us as well has a sub-spindle, so it's a true match sub-spindle. So that means that the sub-spindle can do exactly what you can do on the main spindle.
Yeah, we have the new U600. It's a 5-axis simultaneous machine. You see it, we're now milling an impeller for the, with aluminium, and it's a good machine, big machine, gantry machine.
So this is very advantageous for people that are doing very long shaft work effectively?
Absolutely. The beauty of this as well, it's fully CE regulated because all the guarding is interlocked, so there's no danger of the operator, putting his hand in somewhere and getting an injury.
Well, iMonitor was a piece of software which was developed by Matsuura in the UK to support our multi-pallet machines. And basically what it's trying to do is to schedule work through the machine tool in terms of its availability of tools, pallets against the schedule that has been adhered to the machine.
It is the injection moulding machine. It's a machine that we've been waiting for a number of years. It's a market that we're not currently in Europe, but we've been selling the injection moulding machines in the Far East, in Japan, for quite some time now. Again, we're top end, high accuracy, so it's a market we want to be in. Medical, that's where we're aiming at, and we are at the K show actually, which is in the next month. Actually.